Hi guys, this is my presentation on is there too much violence in the media? I personally think that there is too much violence in the media. A few things to back that up is that for children especially, so as they're growing up, they're learning harmful and aggressive behaviors and reactions. They're scared of the world, they're less sensitive to the pain of others. There's also the whole topic of video game violence. There's a lot of violence that goes on in the media. And so as children grow up, they're going to normalize that and be used to being around violence and kind of resort to that. Also, just human behavior in general is learned upon the things that you watch and see. There's actually an example in 2002, there was a ton of school shootings. There was actually 37 of them that they kind of went into, and all of those had people who were connected to being interested in violent acts in movies, video games, and media. And that just proves that media does normalize violence and that reactions following tough situations, arguments, hard times in the workplace will more than likely result in acts of violence because that's what they're taught. So, thanks for watching.